Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add a search bar in Squarespace. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to minute. So right now I'm going to adding a search bar inside of my shop page. So I'm clicking on edit and I'm clicking on add section, add blank, and I'm clicking on this insert icon and I'm searching here, search. So here we can see the search bar, so I'm simply dragging this here, and here we can see the search bar has been added. And to edit the search bar, click on this pencil icon and you can edit design from here. So this was how we can add a search bar on Squarespace. If you think to see more Squarespace videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to Minute. Thank you for watching.